adverb. Add plus verb. That means which gives extra information about verb, that is called adverb. Brennan Martin says that an adverb is a word that qualify the meaning of a verb, an adjective. Okay, and Jason Esper said that adverb is a word that that used to qualify any parts of speech except noun or pronoun. So, my today's topic is all about adverb. Without much further ado, let's get started. There are three kinds of adverb. The first one is simple adverb, the second one is relative adverb, or you can say conjunctive adverb, and the third one is interrogative adverb. Okay, and the first one, simple adverb, there are 8 kinds of simple adverb. The first one is adverb of time. That means all about time. When someone asks with when, okay, with the help of when you ask question, in that time we'll get the answer with the help of adverb of time. Now, then, today, tonight, before, since, go, ready, always, seldom, often, once, twice, thrice, soon, late, again, daily, early. There are so many words which is used with the help of adverb of time. Okay. The second one is adverb of place. When we ask question with the where, when we ask question in that time, we have to use this adverb of place. This is the symbol of adverb of place. Here, there, far, near, nearby, away, abroad, ahead, locally, universally, inside, outside, in, out, up, below, etc. Okay? And when we ask question with where, in that time, we have got the answer adverb of place. Okay? The third one is the adverb of manner. The adverb of manner. When asked question with how, okay, in that time we have got the answer with this adverb of manner. Clearly, closely, quietly, badly, sadly, softly, slowly, rightly, widely, thus well. If you observe the words, you will see that this one adjective. Okay, how is it? Bad. And how to do it? Badly. Okay, sad adjective, and with the help of ly, it makes adverb. Soft adjective, with the help of ly, it makes adverb of manner. Slowly, rightly, quietly, does well. The word is this word, this word, this word, this one is adjective, but with the help of ly, this is exceptional. Okay, this is exceptional, and the rest of the word is adjective, and with the help of ly, we have to express it adverb of manner. Okay, the next simple adverb is adverb of degree. When we are asked with how much, in that time we will get the answer with this words adverb of degree. Almost, I'm almost done. Quite, very, she is a very good girl. Much, fully, I am fully prepared. Partly, completely, entirely, deeply, rather, too, the bag is too heavy to carry, little, etc. With the help of this word, when you make sentences in that time, it would be easy for you to understand, to remember all the things. Okay. Next simple adverb is adverb of reason or purpose. Okay, when you do something with reason or purpose, in that time we have to use adverb of reason and purpose. Okay, that means when you do something We have reason, we have purpose to do something. He is ill, so he cannot go to school. He is ill, so this is the reason. That's why he didn't go to school. He doesn't go to school. Okay, the next one, he works hard. He works hard so that he can succeed. He works hard. This is his purpose. He has a purpose to be succeed on life. That's why he works hard so that he can succeed. Okay, this one, this is the symbol. This is the what you can say. You can say symbol. Okay, and we will know, we will use it adverb of reason or purpose. When we write this portion, this division of simple adverb, in that time we have to use so that so many things we can use it. There are so many words. Number 6, affirmation or negation. When you say with the affirmation in that time, that means I can say, yes, I will go there. No, I will not go there. And I will never go there. I do not know him. Okay, when you say with affirmation in that time, you have to use yes. And when you say something negation in that time, you have to use no, never. Okay. 7 number, intensifier. The simple adverb intensifier. And the 8 number, downturner. Intensifier, that means we have to put a stress over verb. In that time, we have to use this intensifier. And downturner. Actually, these words are not used. We use these words. Okay. Actually, certainly, surely, really, I do not really know him. Absolutely. Absolutely, he went there. Indeed, etc. Next portion, downturner. That means we do not put a stress over the verb. Hardly, barely, nearly. He works hard. That means he struggles a lot. But in downturner, he hardly works. That means less work. He doesn't struggle a lot. Okay, he works hard. That means he struggles a lot. But in downturner, he hardly works. Hardly means less work. He doesn't struggle a lot. I think all of you are clear how to use simple adverb in a sentence. Okay, in our daily life, we do not actually use this simple adverb, interrogative adverb, relative adverb. But when you write something, in that time you need it. Because when you make a paragraph, when you write an essay, in that time you have to follow these rules. In that time you need it. All of you clear. And that's it for today. Next time I will come with another interesting video. Of course, the next part of adverb. Until then, bye bye. Cheerio. Adios.